Imagine a small plant just starting to grow. It doesn't need a heavy blanket, just a little sun and a gentle drop of water. That's what I call light coverage, small, quiet moments of support. It's not about big praise or constant attention, but a gentle nod, a kind word, or simply being there. These little things help us build heavy confidence, a strong belief in ourselves that comes from within. Light coverage is like a soft, warm light. It doesn't blind you, it just shows the way forward. Think about learning to ride a bike. You don't need a cheering crowd, just someone steadying the seat until you find your balance. That gentle presence gives you courage to pedal on your own. In my claymation world, a nervous character doesn't need a parade, just a thumbs up from a friend or a comforting pat from a loyal dog. These small gestures say, "I believe in you," without overwhelming. Light coverage is powerful because it's simple and true. It helps people find the strength they already have inside. It's about trust. Trusting someone can succeed with just a little help. It's not about solving their problems, but giving them space to figure things out. Each small act of kindness is like a brick, building a foundation of confidence. Over time, these acts create something solid and lasting. That's the heavy confidence that can withstand any storm. Light coverage, gentle, steady, and quietly transformative. Confidence is like a tiny seed. Too much water or light can harm it, but just the right amount helps it grow. Little nudges, like a simple "you can do it," are the perfect drops of encouragement. For a child afraid to speak in class, a teacher's quiet smile and "I'm looking forward to hearing you" can make all the difference. It lowers the pressure, turning a mountain into a small hill. Adults need this too. Starting a new job is scary, but a colleague's friendly tip or reassurance helps you feel welcome. Light support gives you room to learn and grow. These small moments build lasting confidence, not just a quick burst. Each gentle word becomes a building block for the next challenge. Like a tree growing from a seed, this confidence has deep roots. It stands tall, even when the wind blows hard. Little nudges are quiet, but they're incredibly powerful. They help us believe in ourselves, one step at a time. Let me tell you about Pip, a little clay bird with big, worried eyes. All his family could fly, but Pip was too scared to leave the nest. His father's loud encouragement only made him more afraid. One day his sister Willow sat beside him, quietly preening her feathers. She nudged a fallen leaf and said, "See? It doesn't try to fly to the sun, it just lets the wind carry it a little way." Willow hopped to a lower branch. "Why not try hopping here? It's not flying, just a little hop." Pip watched. It looked manageable. Gathering his courage, Pip took a tiny leap and landed next to Willow. She chirped, "See? You did it." No big fuss, just another small challenge. "How about the next branch?" she suggested. Branch by branch, Pip made his way down, each hop a small victory. Willow was there for everyone, offering a quiet chirp or gentle nudge. She never pushed too hard. By the lowest branch, Pip felt a spark of confidence. He looked at the ground, flapped his wings, and glided gently onto the grass. He hadn't soared, but he had flown, all because of Willow's gentle guidance. Pip's journey wasn't about big leaps, but small, supported steps. That's how real confidence grows. It's not about the spotlight, it's about steady, quiet support. Pip learned to trust himself, one hop at a time, and that made all the difference. We often think helping means putting someone in the spotlight, but too much attention can be overwhelming. For someone learning guitar, a big audience can make them freeze up. The pressure to be perfect takes away the freedom to learn and make mistakes. Instead, just sitting with them while they practice and saying, "That part is sounding good," creates a safe space. When the pressure is off, they can relax and find their rhythm. Confidence grows best in low-stakes environments, where learning, not perfection, is the goal. Less attention often means more freedom to grow. Heavy coverage can feel like a weight, but light coverage is a gentle breeze. It supports without holding down. It gives space to discover strengths and build confidence at their own pace. Trust that they'll find their way, and be there with a quiet hand if they stumble. Less really can be more. That's the secret to lasting confidence. In my claymation stories, the community helps each other in small, meaningful ways. Arthur worries his marrow isn't big enough for the vegetable contest, but Florence just gives him a friendly wave and quietly leaves plant food on his doorstep. No loud competition, just quiet support. A young inventor struggles with a sputtering machine, but the town baker says, "That looks clever. My first dough kneader took ages to get right." These small comments show it's normal to struggle. When someone fixes a leaky roof, a friend holds the ladder steady instead of doing it for them. "I'm here for you," that gesture says. This is light coverage in action. The claymation world thrives on everyday kindness, not grand gestures. It's about creating a safe space to try, fail, and try again. Gentle support makes the whole community stronger. Confidence is lifted by the positive energy of everyone around. Each character stands a little taller thanks to these quiet acts. They're gentle giants helping each other grow. That's the heart of a healthy community. Offering light coverage is simple and powerful. Start by listening. Really listen when someone shares their worries. You don't always need to give advice. Sometimes just being present is enough. Notice small efforts, not just big results. Say, "I see you're working hard," to acknowledge persistence. This builds resilience and confidence. Offer help gently. "Is there anything I can do to make this easier?" Let them choose. Respect their independence while showing you care. Non-verbal gestures matter too. A smile, a pat on the shoulder, a thumbs up. These quiet signals can be more powerful than words. Before a big moment, a confident nod can be the boost someone needs. Small, sincere acts are the essence of light coverage. They help others shine in their own way. Our goal is to help others find their own light and let it shine. Heavy coverage can dim that light, but gentle support helps it glow brighter. Light coverage clears away self-doubt, revealing natural brilliance. Confidence built this way is strong and authentic. It comes from within. People learn to trust themselves, make mistakes, and keep moving forward. Think of Pip Willow's gentle nudges taught him to break big challenges into small steps. He learned a strategy for courage that lasts a lifetime. Light support doesn't just solve one problem, it gives tools for the future. Let's be the quiet friend holding the ladder, the sister suggesting a smaller hop, or the neighbor sharing plant food. Our gentle acts can start a chain reaction of confidence. By helping others shine, we brighten the world. That's the true power of light coverage, and it's a wonderful thing to be a part of.